She going hammer, she going hammer, she going hammer my dick tonight. She not with him tonight. She not with Jim tonight. She in the gym tonight. Work out in that pussy. Ayy, I'm getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. that pussy.
Two best friends in a room. They might kiss.
Yes, we will.
What?
Yes, we will.
Smelling like Dolce & Gabbana. Damn, I could probably hit your baby mama. Scared, blowing on the kind of marijuana.
Aye, look, better than your favorite bad bitch. Turned the whole world into a savage. Middle finger in all of my pictures just to remind y'all I ain't having it.
Shit about to get real, for real.
DA got that dope.
Why you always in?
Bitch, I'm a ghost. I could go on for days and days, yeah, I do the most. Wait.
Killer, West Side.
If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me?
Ah bah non, alors là certainement pas. Alors là, non. Ça marche.
C'est faire. Dans l'histoire, on a tous les deux tort. Mais j'ai laissé faire.
This you?
Je suis dingue de toi, je regarde tes yeux et je me dis que j'ai de la chance de t'avoir. Je pense à nous deux, oui je pense à nous deux. Oui je pense à toi tous les soirs. Je suis à...
Tonight, R.I.P. that pussy, yeah, I'm going in tonight.
Yeah, cause I didn't give him a job and he gave me a rim. It was too long so he gave me.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
Bye, 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 bye. I know you're lying, cause your lips are moving.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like
Draco, Soldier. She make it clap. She make it clap. She make it. She make it clap. She make it clap.
Who could I advise? 1, 2, 3. Think I got you pinned. Don't tap out, fight into the end. She said, look, no hands and no darling, I don't dance.
Focus on the mission, put my intermission. Never take a break, we can switch states. Touchdown foreign place. Ain't no way, ain't no fucking way.
Loyalty over royalty, y'all niggas know the vibes.
Fuck your kill this beat, bitch. Whoop it, bitch, I'm outside.
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you,
Baby, it's the vibe for me. It's the vibe for me. Do you see her out there bobbing freely? Stiff wear, woo, stiff wear.
Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man.
And that man is me. The dance classes weren't free.
Uzi, not again. Uzi, wake your ass up.
beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you.
And I'm on a V11 word to be exact. If I ain't no nurse, and I'm on a V11 word to be exact. Bitch, it's like Uzi Vert. Maybach.
I'ma go get everything Mother Earth transcends.
Drop it on my car.
I don't break my heart.
Quiz d'une classe de cassos. Qui est le plus BG? Qui est grave gênant?
Ça me touche mais je reste debout.
Qui a plein d'ex dans la classe?
Je me suis mis avec toi, c'était pour oublier.
Qui est le plus chiant?
Si tu pouvais fermer ta gueule.
Qui est l'intello?
Je vais dire des trucs simples, parce que vous êtes trop cons.
Qui est la star de la classe? Qui fait des blagues nulles mais drôles?
Bonjour, vive les blagues, très très nul.
Qui fout le plus la merde?
Sale pute va niquer ta race.
Qui connaît tous les potins?
Sur la tête de ma mère, j'ai rien vu, rien entendu.
Qui est le cassos?
Eh ouais, c'est nous les mecs de cité.
Qui a un caractère de merde?
C'est moi qui donne des ordres.
Qui chante le mieux? Qui est le plus charro? Qui est le plus drôle?